Hello guys, that's unexpected. So the sun is out. It is only like 15 minutes snowflakes. So if you can see, so we just finished. It's just finished at the moment because the sun is out, but it's still cold. And let me show you the grass. Ooh. We don't expect to have a snow here in Blackheath. Ooh, it's a nice experience. Here you go, guys. It's our third morning here in Blue Mountains. We stay in Blackheath, so this is our last day. And now we're heading up to Sydney. In our 3-day stay here, this is the coldest weather, and so we have experienced the snow earlier. Okay, so this is the area where we stay. Goodbye, Blackheath. Thank you for the snow experience this morning, even if it's just a short one, but still it's unexpected. We did not expect that we're gonna have a snow this morning. So we're going.
She said, thanks for coming, you bought us snow. Because when I went in there, I was talking to her about snow.
Yeah.
She said, oh, we haven't had snow here for the last few years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So the people was excited as well. This must be locals. Alright, so we're going.
Off we go.
Sydney. Bye, Blackheath. See you next time. See the color of that? Maybe in autumn they're really good to look at. All these trees will gonna have leaves in spring.
And you can see the council doesn't come around and clean up the leaves.
No,
so
not
these
really.
leaves have been dropped there since autumn.
Yeah, since autumn. As we continue our travel to Sydney, we decided to call into the Panthers Club in West Sydney because my husband is #1 fans of Panthers NRL. There you go, we're going there. So see who's excited. So because we have one here, a Panthers fan, so we're here in the Panthers territory. There you go. There you go. Now we're going into the Panthers home. Here you go. So he's really excited. There you go. Come on. That's all their trophies. Oh, 1991, 2003, 2021, 2022, 2023. So we're here in their home. After roaming around the club, we decided to have our lunch in the restaurant because we haven't had any since we left Blackheath. So I think I have grilled chicken here with chips and salad. So here you go, guys. This is the seaside cottage. We're here in Curl. So we just arrived in our accommodation and have a look at this. It's very nice and clean. I definitely recommend this to everybody. It's a nice, peaceful, clean, cozy, very cozy. It was like you're just This will gonna be our room for 3 days. Yeah. And this will gonna be Irish room for 3 days. Very nice. Spotless. It was really spotless. Wow. I really recommend this place. So this is superb. So I'm gonna put the link for the place if you want to stay here in Kirker sometime. If you want to go for a holiday, there you go. Yes. So these are all the cabinet. It's a kettle. And they provide us books as well for the book lover. And
even their plates are very nice.
These are the cushion for the chairs and the dining table. And all the kitchen utensils here. Yeah. So these are the, wow, all the cleaning utensils is here. The dishwasher, oven, you have hot top stove, kettle, we have the toast bread maker, and they provide us bread as well. Oh my goodness. There's a bicky, there's a chips. So this is the fridge. This is another cupboard for all the stuff that we're gonna be needing. And everything's here. Wow. You have salt and pepper. You have sauce, oil, vinegar. There's tea. And probably there's a sugar. Of course there's sugar. There's Greek oat honey. And they provide us fruit. Oh, there's your jam, tomato sauce, there's egg, there's milk, there's a drink. You got everything. And this is the freezer. There's ice cube there. Wow, this is really nice. Nice place. Alright, so tingnan natin sa ilalim. So, iba't ibang pot na kailangan from small to large, small, medium, large, and the frying pan as well. So we have oven here, and at the top, yan yung mga utensils, plates, bowls, mugs, available there. So here, para sa exhaust. And this one here, glasses, wine glass, and glasses and coffee mugs. So they provided us bread as well. So these drawers, all the cutlery is here. Different sorts of knives. Everything, tissue. It was really in order. Cutting board, foil, baking. You can bake. You can have something if you want to wrap. And the extra. This is extra towels and plastic. So everything's here. Very nice. And there's a coffee maker. How are we gonna do this? Coffee maker. Wow, they have coffee maker here. So 100% I'm gonna recommend this place for those who's looking for an accommodation here in New South Wales. And so as soon as we are settled and have our shower, I made or cooked our dinner. So this one, I'm cooking dinner here. So I think I baked some vegetables and fried some pork belly for our dinner. So it's really a nice place to stay here in Kirkcaldy. So I really recommend this place. This is a seaside cottage